supplication of the traveler. Traveler is left his home, he's left his family. So because of that, he's closer to Allah. He's not linked to his dunya, not linked to his luxury. That's why he's closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So his supplication for himself, for his family, is actually responded to. But, for example, he is traveling. Can I go to the traveler and I say to him, brother, you're a traveler, make dua for me? That's a controversial issue amongst the scholars, is that to ask the musafir. Did the companions, every time somebody had traveled, he said, لا تنسانا من دعائكم. There is. Do not forget us from your supplication, because you're closer to Allah at that time. So make dua for us. And the musafir, as I said, he is leaving his family, and also he's being given concession from the Almighty. Number one, he doesn't have to fast if it's obligatory. Number two, he must shorten the prayer. Number three, he has the concession of joining the prayer. So all of that is being given to the traveler as a concession from the Almighty subhanahu wa ta'ala because of the hardship that he's going through. We're going to go to a hadith that the traveling is a piece of punishment. I wouldn't say punishment, I would say a piece of hardship.